Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session of OPNET tutorial, we will learn simulating network topologies. First, we will learn how can we create different kind of network topologies, and then we will learn that how can we simulate those particular topologies on the basis of network throughput, load, latency, and packet drop ratio, link utilization, etc. So first we will start from file and new. Uh, Through new, you can create any new project. We have multiple options here. You can create a new model and then link model, path model, and then we have antenna pattern as well. So we will start from a project, and then project name is, let's suppose you can give any name here, like I'm giving here network follow. So there might be multiple scenario in a single project, but you can define, let's suppose it is a star topology. So scenario is a star. So, okay. You can create an empty scenario or you can import, but first we need an empty scenario. So next, uh, this wizard basically define the network size, network scale. I mean, you can make a worldwide network, enterprise network, campus network, office network, logical, and you can choose from the map as well, as you can see map behind. So star topology, so we need office. Okay, one thing is here, use metric unit. So in metric unit, the network size may be in meters, centimeters. So it's a metric, but you can further change it in the next figure. So 100 by 100, and by default units are meter. So this is the physical distance between any node. So it may be, you can choose kilometers and then meter, feet, etc., miles. Next. So select technologies. When you start OPNET without choosing any particular technology, so what happened basically when you open OPNET without choosing any single technology? So what happens? The object palette tree open all these technologies in a single wizard, but if you choose any part here, like uh, let's suppose Ethernet advanced, if you, so the wizard uh, will open uh, and will point only the Ethernet. That's okay. So you can yes or no, but it doesn't matter. You can choose anyone at the end. So then here you can review. So basically scale is office and size is 100 meter by 100 meter. You can say this is the dimension of particular network. Select. So like this is the object that. Uh, so first, how can we create different topologies? So the basic thing is you can also pick and drag any node here, like uh, choose any lane model, like there is a lane model, and you can pick and drag anything to the drawing limits. But so or you can choose anything from here, like Ethernet server, so you can click and drag if you need any languages here, so you can drag any station, any profile, like here. Link, you can choose different kind of links are here. You have FDDI, you have 100 base TA, and then we also have wireless link here, but you have a magnet nodes here, so you can choose any station from here. This is mobile stations basically. So you can move any station. And then you can also search from here, like this is SM. So wireless LAN here, like you can select any station, workstation from here. So press escape or right click, then you can check the attributes. Moreover, you can also make changes in the node model. Like this is node model, so you can make changes and you can select multiple technologies here. If you're using Wi-Fi 802.11a G or N, so you can make changes in the node model as well. Further, so in this way, you can click and you can choose multiple uh, network nodes, and then you can easily connect through link, like let, which is for link model. So wait, I just check links here, so you can see link. Let's suppose 10 BST. So further you can connect, like uh, you choose this link, so you can connect. So this is basic thing. So one thing we can make scenarios, and we can make topologies, like click and drag multiple workstation, and then you can connect with the switch, and then further you can connect that with the particular servers. But we have some rapid option as well, like uh, click here, topologies and rapid configuration. We have rapid configuration for both wireless network and wired network. So for wireless network, you have deploy wireless network, and for wired network, you can select rapid configurations from here. Uh, Check here. First, you can make bus topology. You have a ring, star, tree, and edge, and everything. So how to make bus topology? So you can next, and then you can choose the node model. So node model may be any station or workstation. So you can choose any workstation from here. Okay, Ethernet quakes, and you can choose models from here. Like for node model, you need uh, Ethernet coax. So you can find the Ethernet coax from here first, and then like this one, and then okay, then particular node models will be here, and then you can choose the station, and you can also choose Ethernet coax as an elect model, and then tape model is Ethernet coax, and then you can increase or decrease the number of nodes. Let's suppose 12. This is basically it would be horizontal. You can also make it vertically, and the difference and size of the bus. So okay, so you can easily deploy a bus topology. Further, you can make changes here, and then you can check attributes, and you can apply a particular attributes. You can generate traffic from here, and then packet generation. So you can easily create any kind of topology. Right now, uh, we will learn how to create star topology, because for lane, the most used topology in the world is star topology. We can see star topology anywhere, uh, in the offices, and in the schools, universities, and colleges, etc. So rapid configuration again, and I want to choose star topology. Then you can next. Okay, so like from here, select model. By default, you can choose any Ethernet. View any. like Ethernet. You have Ethernet advanced. A node model could be any workstation or station, Ethernet station. Uh, Workstation is a bit advanced from station, so you have various options, advanced option in workstation. So you can choose both station and workstation. Uh, Referral nodes. So what would be the node that can be? Okay, this is basically a central node. So in central node for star topology maybe hub or switch. So we can choose any switch like 32 port switch, and the peripheral nodes, the adjacent node might be any Ethernet workstations or stations. So like this. So the first one is the central node for the star topology. So that is any switch, and the peripheral nodes are, we can say, the peripheral nodes might be any stations or station. As we know, in star topology, we have a central node, a centralized node that could be a switch or hub. Uh, that most probably it could be a switch. And the adjacent node and the connected node could be any station or workstations. Link, it can be a 10 base T, 100 base T, whatever. So you can choose some high-speed Ethernet link as well. So right now I'm choosing just 100 BST might be sufficient. So how many number of nodes? Like we have a 12 nodes. As it star topology, we have a central node, and all the nodes are connected around that central node. So you can choose the radius. Radius, maybe you can increase or decrease the radius, but I think default radius is 24, and you know it's a 24 meter basically. As we know, our network size is 100 meter by 100 meters, so the radius is almost 24 here, and x, the placement of node x and y. So you can press OK. So you can easily make a star topology. Now, for simulating this star topology, what we need? We need one server, and the server may be connected with the switch. So you can choose a LAN server or Ethernet server. If you choose here, select. Sometimes it's rather difficult to search but you can search from here. Ethernet server, or you can also choose LAN. Ethernet server. Ethernet advanced. From both you can select this advanced. You have multiple options here, and the uh, Ethernet server is here. So you can place one server. Beside, we need one profile, and the second one is application. So application configuration. So these two nodes are also important for simulating any kind of network topology. So why we use applications? You can create multiple applications, and then you can run those particular applications on these nodes. Profile. Why profile is important? Sometimes it's rather difficult to select and choose different profile on each node. So if you make profile, so you can select those particular profile on this on each node. So what you need to do, you can make different applications from application manager, and then you can uh, choose uh, profile, and basically profile can be further enabled on each node. Okay, so first we need to connect this server node uh, to the central node, that is. as a switch. So you need to understand that creating any network topology, you need three further nodes. One is server, the second one is application, profile, and the second one is application. So you can put applications and profile, and would be difficult to run application on each node individually. So you can enable and you can configure, you can enable those particular profile on each node. So you can create further application. First, we need to connect this node. So we need link model, and then from here under based. So you can simply connect this with the node. Press escape and right click. So now the server node is connected with the switch. Applications profile, uh, edit attributes, application definition. Zero means there is no application right now. So if you create one, so you can make one applications. One application means like we can have, yeah, or we might have multiple application. Like print is one application, database is another application, file transfer, email, HTTP, FTP, video conferencing, voice. So these are applications. So you can create one application and you can create more than one applications. Right now I'm creating only one application, so I put uh, row number equal to 1. Enter application name. So you can choose application. Let's suppose I'm making a video conferencing application here. So video conference and description. So you can enable this video conferencing. So you have a low resolution video, a high resolution video. Let me select a high resolution video here. Okay, so we have created a single application. Now, okay. In profile, edit attributes, profile configuration, enter number of rows, that is 1. So you can similarly create one profile or more than one profile. So profile name is, let's suppose the profile is height. And then applications, so 1, and we have already created application, and application name you can enable, that is video conferencing. So video conferencing has been created in the application node, and we can simply add name. If you created one multiple applications, so all the names will be found here, can be found here. So we enable those video conferencing application here. So profile name is heights. Now what we need to do, we need to enable uh, this high profile on each node. Okay, it's rather difficult to select nodes like clicking and press control. But another thing is right click and select similar node. So all the similar node may be connected. Like switch, server, and these are different kind of nodes. So those are not connected. Those are not selected. So right click, then edit attributes, and you can enable the profile with the name of height here. So